I'm Stephanie with WTI, and it is flip-flop weather. This is OKABASHI's Summer Breeze women's flip-flops, and they are amazing. These flip-flops are not only really cute, I love the white with the tan, so they're really versatile. I can wear them a lot. But more important to me is that they are really durable. I can be kind of rough on them, which I happen to be with my flip-flops. And that little back part, it's never pulled out. Even when I've tugged at it, even when I'm kind of running or moving, those flip-flops, they've been through a lot and they're just fine. They also have a nice arch support. I have wide, flat feet, and they're not completely flat, so even on the ground, I can feel like it has some support. Summer brings also really dirty sandals, so I threw mine in some hot soapy water along with my husband's OKABASHI's, cleaned them up really well, and you can see even on the back side, the soles of them washed really well. And then when you flip them over, you see that they look like pretty much like they're brand new again. So they're really a great summer shoe that lasts for a while. So if you're ready to get yourself some flip-flops that are going to last you not just this summer, but many more, go ahead and get yourself your OKABASHI Breeze flip-flops, but that's just my point of view.